How to reverse a video on CapCut, PC, laptop, MacBook, same method, just follow my instructions. So first of all, I need to open a project. So here are input my targeted video. Okay, I import this video on my timeline. So first things, I playing this video. Okay, you can see this car running on in front of. Then first of all select, then going to this option, I again repeat this option. Then you can see here are number 2 option, rotate, reverse. You can click and wait few seconds for this processing part. Now if I playing this video at first, wow, you can see this car going to back. This reverse is working. Thanks for watching. See you again.